Welcome to my channel. It's Carris here, and for today I've got a quick low bun hairstyle tutorial. I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel. I'm also going to use a leave-in, which is the Shea moisture leave-in, and also I'm going to use the Gorilla Snot gel. Yeah, this gives really strong hold. And also I've got my oil mixture as well, mixture of different oils. And in this spray bottle I've got water, conditioner, and a bit of oil in it as well. And I'm going to use these items here, like a brush and a comb, to do this. So first I just sprinkle it with my water mixture, so it's just lots of water in there, conditioner like I said, and a little bit of oil. I'm going to put in my moisturizer, like a leave-in, just to put in moisture into the hair really. And then I'm going to use the oil as well, just to give it more slick. I'm going to be patting my hair like a slight side part there, just like so. Bit of water and on the other side, just to make it a bit soft and ready to put in a bit of gel. So I'm going to be adding my gel in to smooth in the hair. I'm going to pat the back of my hair just in the middle there and put a bit of more gel. Depends on how. I've got like 4B type of hair. If you've got 4C, you need to put a bit of gel just in the middle and kind of pat it 3 ways to put gel, so the gel gets to every part of the hair. Put in more gel just at the bottom there, just to give it more slick. Bristle brush. I got this from like a beauty supply shop. Bit of hair out there, just to give a bit of nice small curls at the side, like a side bun kind of curls there. I've got my rubber band. I'm just going to pack my hair up, ready for the bun. This is really quick and easy. So I'm putting in my bun now. So I've got I got this from the beauty supply shop as well. I'm kind of slicking it down so it's able to, because the back needs to be slicked as well. So I'm putting a bit of gel as well. Because you just want it to be a bit smooth. So I'm just brushing that with my bristle brush as well, just to make it smooth. I got my hairband. And just put the air band. I don't know why I call it the rubber band, but hey, that's what we know it as. But I'm going to be using 2. To the front of my hair now. I'm just making sure it's detangled. This is detangled hair, but you know, more detangled by using a comb. I'm going to put a gel in. I'm just going to do a bit of pulse hair in the front. So what I'm doing here is I'm smoothing my hands through. I'm running my fingers through as well. So smoothing it through, running my fingers through, and it just naturally separates and forms the curls. But I'm going to go further and just take out where it naturally separates, and I'm going to just swirl around my finger to give it more curl definition. Like so. I'll do the other part of the remaining part as well. So I put the gel, make sure you get to the roots, and then spread it all through the hair. I'm coiling it bit by bit there to give it more definition. And now the last part of it. Putting the gel all over to give it that sleek look. This is really an easy, fast style that you can wear anywhere, to work out. You know, it's quite protective as well because there's a bun at the back, and I kind of tuck down the hair as well. So it's really, this lasts me for I think the whole of the week before it was wash day for me to wash my hair. Lasts you multiple days, this hairstyle. So I'm trying to tuck it in now, and just to, I got my pins. This is the Gorilla Snot Gel. I'm going to be using this for my edges because I want them laid and I don't want them moving up or coming off at all. I want them laid all through. The Gorilla Snot Gel tends to, it's got a stronger hold than the Eco Styler. So I tend to use that for my edges to make it really stay in place and not move. I'm tying it with like a scarf just to set it. So whilst I finished the rest of my makeup and I took it off, this is kind of what it looks like. This is the final look, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. This is really a very fast and easy protective hairstyle, and you can rock this anywhere, really, to shopping, to work. And yeah, thank you so much for sticking around. Please subscribe. Bye.